I didn't see there. I'm on my new Apple iPad Mini 3. I'm trying to get the Weather Channel so I can see what kind of weather is coming. Because I heard today there's supposed to be a big snowstorm. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing a review on the Apple iPad Mini 3. I have seen a lot of comments that it is the same exact thing as the Apple iPad Mini 2. But this isn't. This comes in gold, better camera, and Touch ID. You still have a password for people who point their thumbs or point their fingers that people try to get into. So, I'm not going to tell you guys mine, because if you guys accidentally find out where I live, I'm not telling you it. But I may tell some people. I may tell I live at home. And a few of my subscribers and a few of my friends. Touch ID sensor. Let me take a little. Okay, so after you get to do your thumb, I have a few things that I have on here. I have my mom transferred all her songs onto my iPad Mini. I got Minion Rush and the Weather Channel, so I can be up to date. And all my songs. I have, sorry about that. I don't think you guys can really see. Sorry about that sunlight. I have a lot of songs already. Fireball mostly. Okay, so I have 42 artists. That's not considered the songs. I don't have now, that's what I call. That's what I had before. No, I do. A lot of these, no I don't. A lot of these are albums. I'm joking, guys. You guys know I'm joking. So it can sometimes take a little bit to get it started. So this is the gold, and a lot of my. Okay, so if you just slide your finger down like that. Okay, so this case, you guys are wondering about. And I do have that thing to not get fingerprints, but it said to wait 24 to 12 hours. I'm not waiting that long. So this case is pretty cool, as you can see on the inside, just over here, and that's the cover. But, bam, a blue cover, and then bam. So basically they are the same case. I would not trick you guys. I would not trick you guys and have two cases. But pink, bang, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, 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 blue. With the Gundam style. Get it? I don't get it all. So if you guys can see, this is gold. Pretty cool. I have to have it on the last one because, and my friends can get in, but I would never let them. So I have this, I don't know if you stuff it in my purse. Stuff it in my purse. I know. My friend Bailey doesn't like me to sing other silly voices. Sings hard. What? to stop this pretty soon. But comment down below if you want me to have it on the pink side or the blue side. I like the blue side a little bit better, but I still like the pink. Either way. Booyah! So like I said, I am gonna do a review video of all my electronics and the family's electronics. I do this on my desktop, HP, which my friend has, HP. So far, I'm not logged into YouTube, so I will not be able to, like, no, the end letter is Y. That's only in the rest guys. So, I do not recommend iPad Mini 3.
Well, you need some of that chicken if I get the large box. I mean, you have to. You can't eat all crab rangoon, honey.
Yeah,
okay?
I'm making a video.
Okay, well, I'll get ready to call. Are you going to
Okay.
stay home with Daddy?
No, I'm going to stay here.
You're
No. I got confused. I'm going to come with you.
You can stay here.
No, I'm coming with you. I got confused.
We'll have to be leaving. I'm going to call it right now.
Okay. So, vlogger. Sorry about that. So, guys, make sure to respect Apple's products. Okay? Bye, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!